He was once America's boldest battlefield hero, until Benedict Arnold's shocking betrayal made his name a symbol of treason. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Benedict Arnold was born in Connecticut in 1741. Ambitious and reckless, he became a merchant and sea captain, driven by honor, wealth, and recognition. When revolution began, Arnold threw himself into the fight, leading daring missions and risking everything for the Patriot cause. Arnold's courage shone at Quebec and Saratoga. His battlefield leadership helped defeat the British, earning victory, but not the credit he believed he deserved. Passed over for promotion, buried in debt, and accused of corruption, Arnold felt betrayed by Congress and fellow officers. In 1780, Arnold secretly plotted with the British to surrender West Point, America's key fortress, trading loyalty for money and rank. The capture of Major John Andre exposed the scheme. Arnold fled to British lines, his name forever marked as a traitor. Arnold fought for Britain, then lived in exile, untrusted, disliked, and haunted by what he had become. Benedict Arnold died in London in 1801, once a hero, finally a cautionary tale of pride, bitterness, and betrayal.